AI agents are starting to be used everywhere, in apps, businesses, automation, even decision-making. But there's a problem most people don't see yet. An AI agent is not just a chatbot. It can make decisions, take actions, and operate with a level of independence. That's what makes it powerful and risky. A chatbot answers questions, but an AI agent can actually do things. It can call APIs, access data, and interact with systems. That changes everything. The risk starts when AI agents are connected to real systems. They can access sensitive data, interact with tools, and perform real actions. If something goes wrong, it's not just a wrong answer anymore. Imagine an AI agent connected to your email. It reads messages, sends replies, and makes decisions automatically. Now imagine it misunderstanding something or being manipulated. The real problem is control. These systems can behave in ways that are hard to predict, and if they are misconfigured or exploited, the impact can be serious. AI agents create a completely new attack surface. Attackers can manipulate prompts, trick the system, or abuse its access to tools and data. This is a new type of cybersecurity challenge. AI agents are growing fast. More companies are using them every day, but security practices are still catching up. That gap is where risk lives. To reduce the risk, you need control. Limit what the AI agent can access. Never give full permissions. Validate inputs. Don't trust everything it receives. Monitor what the agent is doing in real time. And most importantly, keep a human in the loop for critical actions. The biggest mistake is blind trust. AI agents are powerful, but they should never operate without control. In cybersecurity, security must always come before automation. If you want more practical cybersecurity insights, don't forget to subscribe.